We really wanted to have another ride experience for our guests in Ireland. But what better place than when you're approaching it on the Killarney Bridge to look to the left and see this huge ride next to you.
It's kind of like your playground swing, except it's powered by two 300 horsepower pneumatic air compressors. It definitely adds to it just for the location, because you're actually like swinging off of the cliff here, and it's going to be a great effect for our guests.
As you're cycling through that ride, you're pivoting around that single axis, but you're going up to 45 miles an hour. It's a unique experience.
Most people are not going to comprehend just how exciting this ride is. I've heard people compare it to riding a roller coaster that's just going over hill after hill after hill.
We're counting down the days to take flight. Thanks for joining us on this journey. We'll see you soon.